Good afternoon, LC people. Dave's been a busy boy today. I got these engine cases back yesterday. They've been vapor blasted. So my mission for today was to fully rebuild the engine. The crank had a rebuild at Grampian. The barrels had been obviously reborn, new pistons and rings and all that palaver. And the head and barrels and both the cases were took for powder coating. So I've been at it really most of the day. Some of you will turn around and say, I can rebuild one of them in 2 hours. Dave doesn't do engines every day. You got to remember that. So I probably have to set my time about it a little bit, but I'm very happy about it. So the only, excuse my mate, he keeps sending me messages. That's it. That's all I can tell you. This is done, ready to go now. And his box of stuff that's left over. Obviously I'd done his carbs, I'd done his loom, I'd done his clocks, and now I've finished his engine. He'll be happy to get them back on the bike. So, getting dark now. That little beauty, I'll be on that in the next day or so. I'll probably be on it tomorrow, weather permitting, pull the carbs off, and hopefully tomorrow will be Dave's going to try his utmost to get this bike running. We'll see how the journey goes with that, and I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching Dilly Dilly.